What does it mean to live with clarity and strength in a world that often pulls us in every direction? In times of noise and distraction, when certainty feels fleeting and our days move too fast, how can we stay grounded? Seneca, the Roman Stoic philosopher, offers us a still point in the storm. His words, forged in the fires of adversity, are not ancient relics. They are a living guide. As he once wrote, "Difficulties strengthen the mind, as labor does the body." In this video, we explore 15 timeless lessons inspired by Seneca's wisdom, each one paired with personal reflections that breathe life into his enduring philosophy. These are not abstract ideas, but principles for living with courage, integrity, and calm in a world that often demands the opposite. In this video, we will explore 15 timeless lessons inspired by the wisdom of Seneca, intertwined with personal experiences that resonate deeply. These lessons, rooted in Stoic philosophy, offer profound insights into navigating life's challenges and fostering resilience. As we delve into each lesson, expect an engaging and thought-provoking discussion that encourages reflection and personal growth. The importance of applying these teachings cannot be overstated. They serve as guiding principles that empower us to face adversity with strength and clarity. Join us on this journey to uncover how these ancient insights can transform our modern lives, helping us cultivate a more meaningful and resilient existence. Number 1. Growth begins at the edge of comfort. Embracing challenges is crucial for personal growth, as stepping outside our comfort zones allows us to uncover our true potential. When we confront our fears and tackle obstacles head-on, we often discover strengths we never knew we had. For instance, taking on a new job, pursuing a difficult hobby, or engaging in public speaking can be daunting yet transformative experiences. These challenges push us to adapt, learn, and evolve. I encourage you to face your personal fears, whether it's starting a conversation with a stranger or tackling a fitness goal. By embracing these challenges, you pave the way for growth, resilience, and a deeper understanding of yourself. Number 2, choose who you let in. Surrounding ourselves with positive influences is vital for our personal development. Choosing friends and role models carefully can significantly impact our mindset and motivation. Positive influences uplift us, inspire growth, and encourage us to strive for our best selves. When we engage with individuals who embody optimism and resilience, we are more likely to adopt similar attitudes and behaviors. I encourage you to evaluate your current relationships. Consider whether they support your goals and aspirations or hold you back. By consciously surrounding yourself with uplifting people, you create an environment that fosters growth, positivity, and success, ultimately leading to a more fulfilling and enriched life. Number 3, you are defined by your response. The power of our personal response to life's challenges is profound. It's not the events themselves that define us, but how we choose to react. Each setback presents an opportunity for growth and resilience. I encourage you to reflect on your recent challenges and consider your responses. Did you react with frustration or with a mindset geared toward learning? To respond with wisdom and strength, practice mindfulness, reframe negative thoughts, and seek constructive solutions. Embrace the idea that every challenge can be a stepping stone to greater understanding and strength. By cultivating a proactive response, you empower yourself to navigate life's difficulties with grace and confidence. Number 4, make fewer, deeper commitments. Prioritizing meaningful commitments is essential for achieving our long-term goals and living a fulfilling life. I encourage you to align your daily choices with what truly matters to you, ensuring that your actions reflect your aspirations. It's important to focus on the quality of your commitments rather than the quantity. A few meaningful tasks can lead to greater satisfaction and progress than a long list of superficial ones. Remember, each commitment you make reflects your values and priorities. By consciously selecting what you invest your time and energy in, you create a life that resonates with your true self and paves the way for lasting fulfillment. Number 5, master yourself, shape your life. Self-discipline plays a crucial role in personal growth as it empowers us to control our actions and emotions effectively. By mastering our impulses and staying committed to our goals, we create a foundation for lasting success. I encourage you to cultivate self-discipline gradually. It's a skill that develops over time through consistent practice and dedication. For example, setting a regular exercise routine or committing to a daily reading habit can significantly enhance your focus and productivity. These small acts of self-mastery not only lead to immediate improvements, but also contribute to long-term achievements. Embracing self-discipline ultimately transforms our lives, enabling us to reach our fullest potential. Number 6, guard your time like a treasure. Time is one of our most precious resources, and it's essential to guard it against distractions that can derail our focus and productivity. I encourage you to be mindful of how you spend your time, actively identifying and minimizing interruptions. Effective time management strategies, such as prioritizing tasks, setting clear goals, and using tools like calendars or to-do lists, can help you stay organized and on track. Additionally, invest your time in activities that align with your values and passions, as this will lead to greater fulfillment and purpose. By treating time as an asset, you can create a life that reflects your true priorities and aspirations. Number 7, strength is forged in difficulty. Embracing difficult challenges is essential for personal growth, as facing adversity often reveals our true strength and resilience. When we lean into challenges instead of avoiding them, we open ourselves up to valuable learning experiences that shape our character. For instance, tackling a demanding project at work, overcoming a personal fear, or navigating a tough conversation can all foster growth and self-discovery. These hard experiences not only build our confidence but also teach us important life skills, such as problem-solving and perseverance. I encourage you to view challenges as opportunities for development, as each obstacle you confront can ultimately lead to a stronger, more capable version of yourself. Number 8, uplift others to uplift yourself. Uplifting those around us is vital, as empowering others significantly contributes to our own personal happiness. When we support and encourage our friends, family, and colleagues, we create a positive environment that fosters growth and connection. I encourage you to be a positive influence in your community, whether through small acts of kindness or by offering your time and resources to help others. The ripple effect of uplifting others is profound. When we make someone feel valued and supported, they are more likely to pay it forward, creating a chain reaction of positivity. By investing in the well-being of those around us, we not only enhance their lives but also enrich our own. Number 9. Gratitude grounds the soul. Gratitude plays a significant role in our daily lives, fostering contentment and resilience in the face of challenges. By acknowledging our blessings, we shift our focus from what we lack to what we have, cultivating a more positive mindset. I encourage you to make gratitude a regular practice. Take a moment each day to reflect on the things you appreciate, whether big or small. Strategies for incorporating gratitude into your routine include keeping a gratitude journal, sharing your appreciation with others, or setting aside time for daily reflection. By embracing gratitude, you not only enhance your own well-being, but also create a more uplifting atmosphere for those around you. Number 10. Stay adaptable. Stay relevant. Lifelong learning is essential for adaptability, especially in our rapidly changing world. I encourage you to seek knowledge and skills continuously, as this commitment to growth enables you to navigate new challenges with confidence. Staying adaptable not only enhances your problem-solving abilities, but also keeps you relevant in an evolving job market. The benefits of lifelong learning are immense, including increased creativity, improved resilience, and a broader perspective on life. Embrace learning opportunities by enrolling in online courses, attending workshops, or simply reading books and articles in your areas of interest. By prioritizing lifelong learning, you empower yourself to thrive in any situation and embrace the future with open arms. Number 11. Vulnerability is strength. Embracing vulnerability is a source of strength that fosters genuine connections with others. When we allow ourselves to be open about our fears and imperfections, we create an environment where authenticity thrives. I encourage you to confront your vulnerabilities, as doing so can lead to deeper relationships and a greater sense of belonging. For example, sharing your struggles with a friend can strengthen your bond, while admitting your mistakes at work can lead to valuable learning experiences. By embracing vulnerability, you not only cultivate resilience, but also pave the way for personal growth. Remember, it's through our shared experiences and openness that we truly connect and inspire one another. Number 12. Adversity is the best teacher. Facing adversity can serve as a powerful teacher, offering invaluable lessons rather than merely presenting obstacles. I encourage you to view setbacks as opportunities for growth, as they often reveal our inner strength and resilience. For instance, overcoming a personal loss can teach us about the importance of support systems, while navigating a challenging work situation can enhance our problem-solving skills. Many individuals find that their most significant growth occurs during difficult times, shaping their character and perspective. By embracing adversity and reflecting on the lessons it brings, you can transform hardships into stepping stones toward a more resilient and empowered version of yourself. Number 13. Reflect, refine, repeat. Self-reflection is crucial for personal improvement, as it allows us to examine our thoughts and actions critically. I encourage you to make time for regular reflection, as this practice can guide your personal growth and help you identify areas for development. By taking a step back to assess your experiences, you gain valuable insights into your motivations and behaviors. To incorporate reflection into your daily life, consider keeping a journal, setting aside a few minutes each evening to contemplate your day, or engaging in mindfulness meditation. By prioritizing self-reflection, you empower yourself to make informed decisions, learn from your experiences, and continuously evolve into a better version of yourself. Number 14. Train your mind like a warrior. The impact of mindset on personal success is profound, as our thoughts shape our actions and outcomes. I encourage you to focus on positive and empowering thoughts, as a constructive mindset can propel you toward your goals. Training your mind for resilience is essential. It enables you to navigate challenges with confidence and adaptability. For example, individuals who view setbacks as learning opportunities often achieve greater success than those who see them as failures. A robust mindset can influence outcomes in various areas, from career advancement to personal relationships. By cultivating a positive outlook and embracing resilience, you set the stage for achieving your aspirations and overcoming obstacles along the way. Number 15. Live in alignment with your values. Living authentically according to your values is essential for achieving true fulfillment. When your actions align with your core beliefs, you create a sense of purpose and satisfaction in your life. I encourage you to take the time to identify your core values, as this self-awareness will guide your decisions and interactions. Embracing integrity in your daily choices reinforces your commitment to these values, fostering trust and respect in your relationships. For instance, making choices that reflect your values, whether in your career or personal life, leads to a more meaningful existence. By prioritizing authenticity, you empower yourself to live a life that resonates with who you truly are, knowing alone, but in living what we know. Growth begins not with perfection, but with presence. Stepping outside your comfort zone reveals who you are becoming. Uplifting others reconnects you with your purpose. Mastering your time, your choices, and your emotions is not about control. It's about freedom. When you learn to reflect, you learn to refine. When you embrace adversity, you stop fearing it. When you live by your values, you stop questioning your path. These teachings are not merely philosophical, they are practical, powerful, and deeply human. So start small. Choose one practice, one thought, one shift. Let the rest follow. Because a meaningful life isn't built in a moment. It's shaped day by how we choose to live. We invite you to share in the comments what lessons spoke to you most deeply. Your story could be the spark someone else needs. Subscribe to the Stoic Code for more ancient wisdom lived out in the modern world. And, as Seneca said, as long as you live, keep learning how to live. Walk the path with courage, clarity, and calm, and let your life be the philosophy.